Welcome back to the Cannabis Podcast, and this is a story I am pretty sure will have a lot of people interested and very, very happy. Dogs given CBD see significant reductions in stress and anxiety related to riding in cars, a study finds. Dogs who receive daily doses of CBD see significant reductions in stress and anxiety related to car travel. To investigate the issue, researchers at the Waltham Pet Care Science Institute in the UK compared the behavioral and physiological stress response of dogs who received THC-free cannabis with the placebo group before, during, and after drives. The 20 dogs involved in the study, published in the Journal of Animal Science, all exhibited signs of stress and anxiety when riding in a car. But the canines treated with CBD 2 hours before taking the trip showed meaningful improvements over a 24-week review period. Now, I'm interested to see what breeds those 20 dogs were. Were they little yappers or were they really chill dogs to start with? Who knows? They don't say. Certain measures of stress, such as whining and levels of the hormone cortisol in the blood, quote, were significantly influenced by CBD administration, indicating daily dosing at 4 milligrams may have a mild anxiolytic effect on dogs when traveling in a car. The placebo group's stress levels also decreased by the end of the study, suggesting that the dogs became habituated to driving. But the CBD cohort on average had lower post-test cortisol from the onset of the treatment that were sustained. Because cortisol was still present in the blood, the authors said the non-intoxicating cannabinoid didn't seem to completely eliminate stress. So they posited that CBD is, quote, best used in combination with other interventions, such as behavioral modification therapy, in order to fully alleviate canine stress. That kind of goes the same for people, right? Even if you use cannabis, you still need to use other things as well. Therapy, physical therapy, etc. These results, combined with the established pharmacokinetics of CBD oil to reach peak levels at 1.5 to 2 hours, with a half-life of 1 to 4 hours, suggests CBD could be used efficaciously as a single-dose treatment prior to acute stressors. Additional research is warranted to better understand the effect of CBD at other dosages on improving dog emotional well-being, said the study, which was conducted by scientists with the pet food and veterinary services company Mars Pet Care. There's growing interest in the therapeutic potential of cannabis on pets and other non-human animals, with other studies similarly indicating benefits of CBD, such as reduced frequency of seizures among dogs who receive the cannabinoid, same with humans, anti-seizure for CBD and THC. Another study, published in 2018, found that dogs with arthritis see improvements with CBD treatment. Also, an improvement found in humans. Are we seeing a trend here? I think so. Also, last August, the U.S. Department of Agriculture found that cows that are fed hemp seed retain very low concentrations of THC and CBD in their bodies, indicating that meat products from hemp-fed cattle are safe for human consumption. And I'm going to do something on that here in a minute, so be sure to check out that video as soon as it comes out. Another federally funded study, published in 2022, found that feeding cows hemp reduces their stress. Researchers also have looked into how CBD affects stress and pain in horses. So, like I said, look out for that video. The FDA sent warning letters to a series of businesses marketing CBD products for animals in 2022, cautioning that there's a lack of data on what levels of potential residues are safe for a person consuming the foods that come from CBD-treated animals. Meanwhile, late last year, the governor of New York vetoed a pair of bills that would have allowed hemp seeds to be included in animal feed for pets, horses, and camelids, such as llamas and alpacas, citing a lack of information about the safety of such uses, which she wants the state to study in a, quote, expeditious manner. Now, that's interesting because Montana already approved it in 2021. So what do they know that New York doesn't, and why can't they share data? So this is awesome. Congratulations for anybody out there looking for a resolution for traveling with their dogs. I know a lot of people do that. I do as well. My mom and myself and my family have had golden retrievers and dogs my entire life. So I love dogs. This is awesome to hear. And every time somebody comes into a shop that I used to work at and asks, what do I give for my pets? You give them CBD, and they come back and they always usually have positive results. Now, the interesting thing about this is this CBD formulated specifically for pets, or is it just CBD that you're giving in lower doses? I would be inclined to say that this is just CBD that anybody could take, but it's just in lower doses. Now, that's not medical or scientific advice. That's just my opinion. And I haven't seen any data that shows me any different. Now, you have such brands such as Vet CBD and other specific things that are marketed and targeted towards pets. But I would be interested to know, if a human took it, what would the difference be, if there would be any at all? If you know the answer, let me know. If you've tried Vet CBD or anything else for your pets, let me know in the comments. Did it work? And how was their reactions? So this is good news for all dog owners and all pet owners alike. Try it out. See how it happens. Until next time, stay blessed.